Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited VC in the NBA 2K26. So let me go over to my account and show you guys what's going on, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, and I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, let's just give it a second to load up, and you guys are going to see the magic. So as you can see, my VC and my team points are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's just give it a minute for this to max out, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So I think I'm going to end up at 400,000 guys. So let's see. And as you can see guys, it worked. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is go to the website nbamod.com. So let me just type this in right here. So once you're on this website guys, what we need to do is enter our username and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my username. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm just going to type this in, and then I'm just going to go ahead, choose my platform, and then press continue. And now we get to choose how much VC and my team points we're going to add to our account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's just wait. So for the my team points, I'm going to go ahead and do the max, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the VC. Alright, so now we have to do the verification. This is the last step. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then we're going to be good to go. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's generating the VC and the my team points. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to load. Alright, successfully generated VC and my team points. So now it's performing the verification. So we just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and we're going to be all set. So I'm going to press the button that says verify now. It's going to bring me this list of apps, and all I have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and we're going to be good to go. So as you can see, there's tons of them. So I'm going to do Evertail. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So for the other app, I'm going to do Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. So let's just give it a second to redirect me. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just let these download. So let's see what happens. Alright, so the Evertail is done. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions. You know, it's just a game. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running it. So yeah, it's pretty easy guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So let's see what happens. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. Just doing some basic interactions. So let's see what happens. Alright, should be good to go guys. So let's go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Travel Town. So it's the same thing guys, it's a game, so I just got to play through it. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. So let me just go ahead and play through that. So yeah, I'm just going to run this right here, as you can see. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. So it's super cool guys. So let's just go ahead and do this. And now let's see if we got the VC and the my team points added to our account. So as you can see, I currently have 400,000. So it should start going up. So let's see what happens. And I expect something to change. So let's see. And yo, look at that, it actually works. So be sure to try us out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get unlimited VC and my team points 2026. This is super crazy guys. So if you want to do it, be sure to try us out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is actually working guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out. I mean, this is super cool. So as you can see guys, it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel guys. Peace out.